today we are going to be looking through the different models of our first day challenge. This is our challenge. Mommy, puppet. And yeah, pause the video and look at that. This is our first house. It's a tent that I built. And this here looks like a pterodactyl with, that looks creepy, but, and now that we've shown this, it's time for the second one. This here is our puppet, but we will not be making a puppet show today, and I don't think we will ever, most probably, but this is our puppet, and this is its nest. I have to zoom up a bit closer. Under its nest, there is a straw mesh, and yeah, our puppet sits in this straw mesh and these puffs and likes it. Here we got a pyramid. The pyramid is completely covered. I put this here to show the pterodactyl eating like just green. And we just open it up, and this dinosaur comes out. We put that back in. Also, none of this stuff comes with this set. None of these toys I'm going to show you. We got this little man puppet something. Ignore this. And we got its pyramid house. I ran out of triangles and out of pieces to do it. And so we got the little pyramid house. Now here is the cool thing. It's a 2-storage house with 2 little men. And I built this ladder. The ladder is ugly because it's a 2-floor house. And we got Mr. Hamster here. Hello. Can't talk, I just made that voice. And so you're just going to go back in there and live your life, Mr. Hamster. Live your life. And just put these stuff back up here and there. And you can put that back. And here is our page, but that isn't right now interesting. I'll put it down. And how can I start with this toy? This toy here is a 3-storage monkey cage here. It's got 2 playgrounds. It's got a monkey. Wake up, little man, guy. He's sleeping. Leave a like for him to wake up. If you want him in the next video with his eyes open, leave a like, subscribe. But I gotta take, oh, he opened his eyes, so you don't need to show him in the next video, but still leave a like if you ever built this stuff. If you didn't, leave a like anyways. And this here is just Play-Doh. It's his toy, but this is how it's supposed to be shaped, like a banana. This isn't a banana. And here's his cage. Let's start with the first stuff. This monkey here, you're going to sit on my finger and explore your cage. We got right here, we have got this tiny playground that is a swing, and there's another swing right here.